in the last period we saw arithmetic progression. In an AP, if the difference between two consecutive terms is constant and is denoted by d. In an AP, if the first term is a and common difference d, then the terms in sequence are a plus d, a plus 2d. In a sequence, if difference tn plus 1 minus tn is constant, then the sequence is called an arithmetic progression. Now today I am taking your practice set 3.1. I am giving you one example, one or two examples in question first, one or two examples in question second, one or two example in question third. So your practice set 3.1. Practice set 3.1. In first question, which of the following sequences are AP? If they are AP, find the common difference. First example, 2, 4, 6, 8. P1 is 2, P2 is 4, P3 is 6, T4 is 8. T2 minus T1, 4 minus 2 is equal to 2. T3 minus T2, 6 minus 4, T4 minus T3, 8 minus 6, 2. Then here the common difference, where the common difference d is equal to 2 is constant. Therefore given sequence is an AP. Then see your example number 7. 3, 3 plus root 2, comma 3 plus 2 root 2, comma 3 plus 3 root 2 dash. T1 is equal to 3, T2 is equal to 3 plus root 2, T3 is equal to 3 plus 2 root 2, T4 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2. Then T2 minus T1 is equal to 3 plus root 2 minus 3. 3 plus 3 minus 3 cancel, common difference is root 2. Then T3 minus T2. T3 is taken round bracket, 3 plus 2 root 2 minus T2 is 3 plus root 2. Three plus 2 root 2 as it is, but out of bracket there is a minus sign, so the sign of terms will be changed. 3 will be minus 3 and plus root 2 will be minus root 2. Then this 3 minus 3 cancel and 2 root 2 minus root 2 is also root 2. Similarly T4 minus T3, 3 plus 3 root 2 minus 3 plus 2 root 2 is equal to 3 plus 3 root 2 as it is minus 3, sign will be changed, minus 3 minus 2 root 2. So plus 3 minus 3 cancel, 3 root 2 minus 2 root 2 is equal to root 2. Here the common difference, d is equal to root 2 is constant. is first term. Therefore, given sequence is an AP. Is an AP. See your next question. The remaining examples you try to solve. Question second. Write an AP whose first term is A and common difference is D in each of the following. See, first example is that A is equal to 10, D is equal to 5. D is equal to 5. T1 is equal to A is equal to 10. T2 is equal to T1 plus D. Our T1 is 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. T3 is equal to T2 plus D. Our T2 is now 15 plus 5. So 15 plus 5 is 20. T4 is equal to T3 plus D. 20 plus 5 is equal to 25. Therefore, AP is 10, 15, 20, 25 divided. See your question number 6. A is equal to minus 19, comma D is equal to minus 4. T1 is equal to A is equal to 19, minus 19. T2 is equal to A plus D, minus 19 plus of minus 4. Minus 19 minus of 4 is equal to minus 23. The T3 is, this is T1 plus D, sorry. A is or T1 is same. T1 plus D. Our T1 is minus 19. Here T3 is T2 plus D. Our T2 is minus 23 plus of minus 4. Minus 23 minus 4 is equal to minus 27. T4 is equal to T3 plus D. Minus 27 plus of minus 4. Minus 27 minus 4 is equal to minus 31. Therefore, given sequence, therefore AP is minus 19, minus 23, minus 27, minus 31 divided. Then your next question, question number 3, find the first term and common difference for each of the following. In question 3rd, first 5, 1, minus 3, minus 7 divided. First term is equal to A is equal to 5. So T1 is equal to 5, T2 is equal to 1, T3 is equal to minus 3, T4 is equal to minus 7, T2 minus T1, 1 minus 5 minus 4, T3 minus T2, minus 3 minus 1 minus 4, T4 minus T3, minus 7 minus of minus 3, minus 7 plus 3 is equal to minus 4. Therefore A is equal to 5 and D is equal to minus 4. So first term is equal to 5 and common difference is minus 4. 3 remains are in remaining examples in question 3rd. Then in question 2nd also 4 examples are there. In first also 6 examples are there. You try to solve and send me. Okay.